Welcome to Friday Assembly. As always, I am excited to be having this assembly because it's a celebration assembly. And this week we've had loads to celebrate. It has been a very special week for us. We have had the week of being brave, and we have been looking at different kinds of bravery and celebrating them and practicing them, from intellectual bravery to moral bravery, empathetic bravery, and disciplined bravery. And we also took the time to remember all the fallen soldiers who fought for our country to keep us free. So this is an amazing week, and I am so proud of everyone and the successes that they've had this week. Now, we're going to call out the names of our award winners in a little bit different way. We're going to show pictures of all the fantastic things that have been happening across the school, while also giving out the awards. So, let's get started. Let's look at the fantastic things that we've done this week, as well as hear who is receiving the awards for Going for Gold and Year of Being Brave. First, we have Going for Gold. In Leeds class, we have Harper for super independent effort to make a poppy. In your class, we have Faith for recognizing which chord was the biggest value when playing a game of pairs. Also, we have SJ for great participation during whole class maths. In whole class, we have Lorraine for writing the first two letters of her name all by herself. We also have Ruben for working hard in Read Write Ink and using Fred Talk to blend words. In Nottingham class, we have Ashton for his fantastic painting of a poppy for Remembrance Day. We also have Hubert for his amazing number fact knowledge. In Liverpool, we have Zara for super explanations in maths. We also have Rebecca for super effort with her reading and phonics. In Cardiff class, we have Charlie for joining in lots in class discussions. It's lovely to see him growing in confidence. In Cardiff class, we also have Leighton for persevering in science when using electrical equipment to make his circuits work. In Edinburgh 1, we have David for listening fantastically to make his light up Christmas card. We also have Nicola for helping others with making their light up cards. In Edinburgh 2, we have Jacob P for having a much better attitude this week. He has really tried his best. It also have Holly for always using her sign language. Miss Lofthouse is so proud of how she is taken to the school challenge. In Cambridge class, we have Patrick's for his fabulous contributions to class discussions and deep level thinking. We also have Shadrach for settling well into year 5. In Oxford class, we have Christians for working hard to add and subtract decimals. We also have Oscar for completing the series of decimals additions to find his way through a maze. In Lincoln class, we have Ethan for beginning to ask for help instead of screaming when he becomes angry. In Chester class, we have Jake Deary for maintaining a positive attitude towards learning. Well done to all these children for receiving the Going for Gold award. Give them a big hand. Now we have the Year of Being Brave awards. First, we have Leeds for Flynn for empathetic bravery when talking about his great-granddad who died in the war. In York class, we have Cohen for disciplined bravery for persevering when making a poppy. In Hull class, we have Jacob N for intellectual bravery for trying hard to write his name and not giving up. We also have Michelle for intellectual bravery for practicing her number recognition and formation. In Nottingham, we have Jacob B for empathetic bravery and listening to another person's point of view. We also have Julia for disciplined bravery in ensuring her handwriting is perfect all of the time. In Liverpool, we have Elizabeth for intellectual bravery for helping others in their learning. Raymond's for disciplined bravery for being focused when doing a pointillism or Poppy. In Cardiff class, it is all of Cardiff class for disciplined bravery and trying something new when learning our Talk for Writing script, which they have done an amazing job with. I got to see them doing it in action via video they sent me. We also have Sienna for intellectual bravery. She has been learning how to sign along with songs at home. In Edinburgh 1, we have Scarlett, for she has worked hard on her disciplined bravery. Last few weeks, it has been really showed how well she focused and stayed calm when making her light up card. We also have Christian, always showing intellectual bravery by being open to new ideas and trying hard to improve himself and his work. In Edinburgh 2, it's all of Edinburgh 2 for showing all 4 kinds of bravery this week. Miss Lofthouse is so proud of how the children embrace the week of being brave on all challenges set. In Cambridge class, we have Ethan for intellectual bravery and persevering when work gets tough. In Oxford class, we have intellectual bravery for Antonia and Vernice for persisting with a very tricky maths problem. In Lincoln class, we have Billy Joe for following routine and sharing and being on task with work. In Chester class, we have Alex. Due to the resource being closed, he was up this morning straight away and doing his work. Well done to all of you. All the children have worked so very hard this week, and especially those who received the awards today for a year of being brave. Give them a big hand. Wow, it was a busy week, wasn't it? And I am so proud of all of you for the work you've done this week. Not only in the week of being brave, but also in all of your other subjects. You have done a fantastic job, and you should be very, very proud of yourself. Now, we have the weekend. It's time for us to have a couple of days off. I want you to make sure that you take care of yourself. Help to look after your adults as well. Be kind, be caring, be brave.